My name is Vivek Seth. I'm from Internet and Mobile Association of India, IAMAI. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for joining us for this first ever affiliate marketing masterclass that we are conducting. I see a lot of people replying over chat. Hi, hi. So yeah, a big thank you to two special people. One is Mr. Kulwan Nagi for agreeing and doing this webinar with us. And secondly, would like to thank our expert partner, V Commission, for coming on board and agreeing again to do this with us, for the very first time. Uh, Moving ahead, I would like to request Mr. Kulwan Nagi to come forward and start with the workshop. I wouldn't take much of the time. Thanks.
Hello, Vivek. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can. Very clear.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So first of all, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm very much excited to interact with your awesome audience. So first of all, before we start, you will have to give me the access. You just go in the panelist. You will see my name there.
Yeah.
Click on more and make me host. You will see a setting of host. Okay.
Done that.
Perfect. Now I think you can see my video also. Is my video clear, guys? Everything perfect? Type yes if you can hear my audio perfectly. If my video is fine, type yes if you can see everything fine. Perfect. So first of all, most welcome to all of you, and I hope you all are maintaining the social distancing, right? Because seeing this situation in the world right now, that is the perfect solution we have. And I hope everyone is safe and secure at home, right? And I hope everyone is putting the efforts to upgrade your knowledge, to upgrade your knowledge. Because right now we are sitting at a stage in the life where you have extra time, where you can upgrade yourself, where you can upgrade your lifestyle, not only your lifestyle, your family's lifestyle also, right? Because this is the best time to learn the new things. And that is why we took the initiative to do this webinar today, so that we can at least help some of the people who are interested to know more about the affiliate marketing, right? So let me share my screen right now. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? Type yes if you can see my screen. Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, give me a second. Fine. I'm just doing a little bit settings. Fine. Okay, so thanks once again to Mr. Vivek and V Commission team, because without them, this webinar was not possible. So I thank you to the whole team for giving me this opportunity to interact with the awesome audience, right? Today, I'm going to share how to make money with affiliate marketing, even when you are not an expert, because many of the people have the myths that only the people who are experts, they can do affiliate marketing, but that is a myth, right? We will break all of these myths in this webinar today, and I'll share 3 simple hacks with all of you, so that you can start implementing those hacks, and then you can start your affiliate marketing career with ease. Are you guys ready to learn? Type BIO, that is bring it on, if you guys are ready to learn today. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. So many BIO. Awesome. So my goal today is very clear. I'll show you the potential of affiliate marketing. I'll show you how I made $500,000 with affiliate marketing. That is more than 3 crore Indian rupees. And I'll show you how can you copy paste this model. How many of you would love to copy this model? Type copy. If you would love to copy my model, how I made $500,000 by sitting in a very small town. Type copy. And let me tell you something very interesting. I am going to see 100% people typing copy. Why? Because we Indians love to copy. Agree with my statement? Yes, we all. So if you stay till the end with me, I'm going to share my 50 money making keywords with all of you, which is worth $60, right? We have found some of the good money making keywords, some of the good Amazon affiliate marketing keywords. If you stay till the end of this webinar, I am going to share that list with you for free. right? So stay till the end with me, and you are going to get the goodies at the end of this webinar. Before we start, my name is Kulwant Nagi, and I am from a very small town. The town's name is Fatehabad. It's in Haryana, right? So the town is so small town that if you go from one corner to another corner, it is just 10 kilometers. Very small town, no good schools in my town, no good hospitals in my town. The nearest good city is Hisar, which is 50 kilometers from here, right? I have done my schoolings from government schools in Hindi medium, right? Many of the people attending this webinar right now might have one misconception that no one can succeed in the life if you are not good in English, if you don't have a good formal education. But guys, I am the live proof in front of you right now. I did my schooling in government schools in Hindi medium. If I can do it, I think anyone can do it. All you need is the right mindset. If you have the right mindset, if you have the goals in your life, if you have the dedication and commitment, you can achieve anything in your life, right? And I have done diploma in electronics and communication engineering and BTech also in electronics and communication engineering. How many of the people attending this webinar are engineers? Type ENG if you are an engineer. And again, I'm going to see too many people typing ENG because engineers are such a breed which you can see anywhere. Doesn't matter which industry it is, engineers are everywhere. So I'm also a proud engineer, right? I started my blogging career in 2011 and I made my first dollar after 7 months. It took me 7 months to make my first dollar. Why so many months? The reason was when I started my blogging career, there was no broadband in my city, right? So I was doing the blogging using 2G mobile internet for 18 months. I was doing blogging using 2G mobile internet, right? Guys, right now we are living in the era where you have 4G internet speed. And if any day your internet switch from 4G to 3G, you go completely mad. Are you agree with my statement? If your internet switch from 4G to 3G, you go completely mad and you start complaining that I'm not getting good speed. But guys, I started my blogging career with 2G mobile internet. I had one internet connection, Idea internet connection, and I used to connect that internet with my laptop and used to do blogging with that. For 18 months, I did blogging with that, right? That was how hungry I was for the success, because I knew that if I will keep on putting the efforts in the right direction, one day I will be a successful guy. And right now I'm here in front of you, right? So what are we going to learn in today's webinar? We are going to learn how to find easy to rank affiliate keywords, how to find a perfect theme to start an awesome affiliate marketing blog, and how to drive the right traffic and make money with affiliate articles, right? So let me tell you guys, I have discovered everything in a very hard way. As I have already told you that I started my blogging career in 2011 with 2G mobile internet. I made my first dollar after 7 months and I became full-time affiliate marketer in 2014. So I have struggled a lot. I have discovered everything in a very hard way, but I am going to make the things much easier for all of you who are attending this webinar, because I know the path right now. I know what is right. I know what is wrong, right? How many of you would be agree with my statement that if you learn from a right mentor who has already gone through that path, it would be easier for you to succeed? Type agree if you are agree with my statement. If you learn from a mentor who has already gone through that path, who knows that what is right, what is wrong, who can guide you that these are the things, if you do, you will be successful. We all would be successful, right? So I'm going to make the things much easier for you. It is not going to take so many years for you to succeed. Once you take the action, once you start this, once you start doing the affiliate marketing, it would take only few months and you will see the success, right? So here is how my story started. On 11 September 2011, I started my blog, kulwantnagi.com, right? So I was doing blogging on this particular domain, kulwantnagi.com. And later I booked another domain name, which was bloggingcage.com. And I started continuing blogging there only. Bloggingcage.com is my main domain right now. This is my main website right now. And guys, let me tell you something interesting about this domain name. So one day, it was on 15th January, I went to godaddy.com. I booked this domain name. And as soon as I booked it, I found that, wow, today is my mother's birthday. And I was so happy because I was starting something in my life on my mother's birthday. How many of you would be happy if you start something on your mother's birthday? Type happy if you would be happy by taking some initiative, by starting something in your life which can change your life, right? For me, this was a very special day because I was starting a new journey. Guys, let me tell you something so crazy, which will make you say, wow, right? Make sure you type wow once I finish telling my story. So last year in 2018, I got married, right? And recently we had a very beautiful baby 3 months back. So I got married, and guys, let me tell you, my wife's birthday is also on 15th January. Isn't this a crazy coincidence? This is. So this particular date, 15th January, is so important in my life. Every awesome thing happened in my life on this particular date, and my life was completely changed, right? As I already told you, I made my first dollar after 7 months. Now the question is, how did I do that? कैसे बनाए मैंने ये पैसे? So this happened by chance. Someone bought a banner on my blog and they paid me $59. They emailed me and then they told, Kulwant, we are interested to place a banner on your website and we are willing to pay you $59 for that. I thought they might be something like making fun of me or playing with me. So I replied that email. I said, okay, this is my PayPal address. Pay me $59 and I will place your banner on my blog. To my surprise, they paid me that much money, $59, and sent me the banner. So next day I added that banner on my blog, and this is how I made my first dollar after 7 months from my blog, right? And this was my condition. I was feeling like this because now I could see that the money was coming. Now I could convince myself that yes, money is coming. This is a real business. Companies pay you for doing the business, right? So I was making money with Google AdSense. I was making money by placing the banner ads on my website. And I was feeling like this because I was working from my home and I was making the money. How many of you guys attending the webinar know what is Google AdSense? Type yes if you know what is Google AdSense. Type yes if you know what is Google AdSense. Awesome. And type again, BAN. If your AdSense account got banned. Type BAN if your AdSense account got banned. Guys, my AdSense account was banned in April 2013. Right? This was my condition when my account was banned. And we all know the story. When the account gets banned, we feel very sad, right? It happens with all of us. When the account is banned, you feel very sad. And for us, that one day, everything was gone, completely gone, right? Because I was not making any money with my blog now. So after trying so many things for 5-6 months, I found affiliate marketing. I found that all of the top blogs were making money with affiliate marketing. And above all, I found that everything was in my control, right? Affiliate marketing was such a business which most of the top blogs were doing. And there are so many people in India who are doing affiliate marketing with WeCommission, right? Once you go at WeCommission.com, there you can see so many programs which you can promote. And this company will pay you some affiliate commission. In the upcoming slides, we are going to actually see that model, what it is. So stay tuned for the next slides. So now I found affiliate marketing, and now the question was what to do next. That was the biggest question. I found that, okay, something is there which is called affiliate marketing, but what next? So the next thing was in 2014, guys, you can see that I started my blogging career in 2011. I started this in 2014. That means after 3 years. So I can say that for 3 years, I was struggling. I was trying every possible thing to make money online, but I was not seeing any success. But one day in 2014, I found a software and I created a blog around that software, right? Because that one software solved my problem. And I thought, if this can solve my problem, this can solve the problem of the people worldwide also, right? Having this one mindset, I created a blog around that software and it ranked in Google and started making $100 a month. And very soon it was making $1,000 a month in 2014, guys. How many of you would be happy if you start making $1,000 a month by working from your home? Type happy if you would be happy once you start making $1,000 a month. And how many of you would be very happy? Type very happy if you would be very happy. Because in India, $1,000 a month is a very decent income. That means 70,000 rupees a month. So I was making this much money with that blog. And if you want to see, this is that keyword for which I was ranking at top in Google. Content Machine Discount. This was the software's name, Content Machine. So I created a blog around that. If you go at Google and then if you type Content Machine Discount, you can see this website is still ranking here. You can see it, Content Machine Discount. Let me show you something interesting, guys. Let me open this website. Guys, it's been 6 years and I'm still ranking. You can see it. And you see another interesting thing. I am so lazy that I haven't even changed this year. It's been already 4 months of 2020 and I'm so lazy that I'm not even touching this website, right? If I go here in the blog section, you can see that the article I published on this website was 29th May 2014. Next article I published on 20th August 2014, right? And the last article I have published on this site is 4th May 2018. Many of you might be thinking that this is a very small website. Only 5 articles on this website. Can you guys see it? It is a very small website. How many of you would love to see that how much money I have made from this one website? Type money if you would love to see how much money I have made with this one small website by ranking at top in Google. Let me go in my affiliate dashboard right now. This is my affiliate dashboard. Content Machine is the website. This is my username, password. I'm doing the login. Affiliate control panel. And guys, this month I have made $104. But the interesting thing is I made this $104 without doing anything, which means let's see how much money is that. Almost 8,000 rupees. How many of you would be happy if you make 8,000 rupees a month without doing anything? Would that be amazing? Type yes if that would be amazing. You are making money, you are not even touching your website, right? This happened with me as well. You can see that I made $104. If you want to see the full reports, if you want to see the quick stats, so till now 2,681 people have clicked on my affiliate link, which was this link, this is an affiliate link. So these many people have clicked on this link, and this is the affiliate commission I have earned so far. Can you guys type this number if you can see it? This is the affiliate commission I have earned so far. $15,544. Is this a good income, guys? 11 lakh rupees from a small website. Is this a good income? I hope this is a good income. In India, sitting in India, this is a very decent income. If I go in my stats, pay out to me, you can see that the last article we published was on 2018, not even touching the website after that. So how much money we have made after that? 2018, $257, 303, 160, 179, 157, 160, right? Every month I am making the money. without even touching the website. Got it? So this is the power of affiliate marketing. Once you target the right keywords, once you rank for the right keywords, then you can start making the money. And in this webinar, I'm going to teach you all of those things. What are these things and how can you do it? I'm just showing what I have done. I'm showing you live examples, right? So now I was making enough money, and I hope that is enough money. $1,000 a month in India is a very good money. Now, one day I thought, now I know that something is working. Now I know the formula that yes, this website is making me the money. Why don't I start another website targeting almost same kind of the keywords and then start making the money? How many of you would be agree with my statement that if you know that one model is working, something is working, you know that this model is making you money, you can start making more money if you replicate that model and make another model? Would that be a right statement? Would that be a right move? If you know that something is working, you just replicate that model and it start making the money, right? There are very high chances that you can start making money. Let's take only 50% chances. There are very high chances that this can start making the money. So with the same mindset, I created another website and I wrote an article on it. I wrote 8-10 articles on the website. You can see that it happened in 2015. But one day I got a message and the message said, congrats, you earned $200 commission. For me, this was a God sent message. Why? Because when I saw this message next morning, I opened my email, there was a message sitting in my inbox which said, congrats, you earned $200 commission. For me, this was important because I made this much money when I was sleeping. $200 when I was sleeping. For me, this was an aha moment in my life because now I could see that this is the real income. This is the passive income which I can generate if I target the right keywords, if I start the affiliate marketing blogs, right? After this one day, guys, in 2015, I was unstoppable. And I am unstoppable even till today because now I could see the potential of affiliate marketing. So I started optimizing that article. I optimized it more to make it SEO friendly. I hired content writers to write more articles. Now you can see that it happened in 2016, right? It took me a few months to reach at that level. Now the second blog started making $1,000 a month. How many of you would be happy if your second model also start making the money? Type happy if you would be happy by seeing the second model making the money, because you know that the first model is making, you replicated that model. Now the second model is also making the money. For me, this was outstanding. But guys, things went crazy when it started making $15,000 a month. $15,000 a month. Is it a good income? Type wow if you are happy by seeing that $15,000 a month, right? I will show you the live dashboard, guys. I don't believe in theory. I don't believe in just on saying. I believe in showing the live dashboards, right? I will show you the live dashboard. This is a real income, genuine income. I will show you my live dashboard. So this is the dashboard picture. $70,000 I made just by promoting one company. Let's log in my dashboard right now. Let's log in live in front of you so that you can see that this is the real income. This is the genuine income. Let's see it. So I'm doing the login in my share a sale account. I will do the login. Now you can see that this is my username. If I scroll down, here you can see that I made, and let me check. I promoted StudioPress and made $6,000. I don't know why I can't see it. WP Engine is here. Okay, WP Engine. I don't know. I think there might be some glitch in the platform today, but yes, this was at number 1. $70,000. This was at number 2, $6,300. But I think there is some glitch today. They are not showing WP Engine in my account. Let me see if I can find it. So here you can see that 52% of my income I made with WP Engine, but right now I don't know why I can't see it. Okay, I'm not able to find it. So this is my real dashboard. This is my real dashboard where I made the money. So here is disclosure. These results are not typical. It would take a lot of efforts, time and commitment to see the results. I am showing what all is possible, right? Results would vary person to person, but once you apply this principle, you will see the positive results. That is disclosure from my end, right? The results would vary person to person. So here are a few of my pictures. I'm speaking at High Traffic Summit in New Delhi. I'm speaking at Success Conference in Vietnam. I'm speaking at Digital Masters Conference. Here I'm speaking at India Affiliate Summit. Here I'm speaking at India Affiliate Conference. And again, last picture is from Hosting and Domain Conference in Hyderabad. Now you can see that I speak at so many conferences, including India Affiliate Summit and India Affiliate Conference as well. Here I'm sitting in a plane. This is a private plane which we booked from Germany to Spain, right? And all the people you see in this plane are the top affiliate marketers in the world. All of these guys are affiliate marketers. I had the privilege to fly with these guys from Germany to Spain, right? Here I am attending London Affiliate Conference. Here I'm attending Affiliate World Conference in Barcelona, Europe, Spain, right? Here is one picture which inspires me a lot. With the help of blogging and affiliate marketing, I have traveled 21 countries so far. That is the power, that is the freedom I have got after becoming an affiliate marketer. And here is one picture. I think you guys can recognize these people. Can you type the name if you can recognize these people? Can you guys type the name if you can recognize these people? One is Neil Patel, another one is Oliver Canyon. The guy at the top is Jack Johnson. He is one of the top bloggers in the world. The guy at the bottom is Syed Balkhi. He is the owner of WP Beginner, which is the #1 WordPress website in the world. Right? So these are the guys I am hanging out with. So this was all about myself. I hope you guys liked my story. Was it a good story? It took only, I think, 25 minutes to explain who am I, right? Now let's come to the point. What will you learn? You will learn evolution of affiliate marketing. Then I will share 3 affiliate marketing secrets. And at the end of this webinar, I'm going to talk about my premium training, which is Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. This is the training which we recently started on 25th January. And we have more than 550 students in this training. And I will talk about that training at the end of this webinar. But before that, our main focus is just learning. So let's start. So in simple terms, in simple words, this is affiliate marketing, guys. You can take the screenshot of this image or you can even click the picture. This is the affiliate marketing. You find the product. You first of all decide that which are the product you want to promote. Then you join affiliate networks. In our case, vCommission is an affiliate network, right? You can join vCommission where you can find so many affiliate programs and you can start promoting those programs. In the upcoming slides, I will show more about vCommission. I will talk how can you join it and how can you find the good programs to promote and how can you make the money just by promoting the products from vCommission, right? So this is simply this point. Join affiliate, or I would say join affiliate network. Then you promote the products. Then you track the sales. In a vCommission platform, you can actually track your sales, that how many clicks you are getting on any link, how many sales you are generating for any product, right? So you can track everything at your backend and ultimately you earn the commission. So in simple, this is the complete affiliate marketing. Find products, join affiliate, promote products, track sale and earn commission. Simplest model. So here I take one example. Best phone under 30,000 in India 2020. How many of you have ever searched these type of keywords in Google? Have you ever searched these type of the keywords in Google? I think many of you. Best Android phone with good camera or 16 megapixel camera. Best Android phone under 20,000. We all do it, right? So whenever you search these type of the keywords on Google, the websites you see are affiliate websites. So these guys promote these mobile phones. Once you buy those phones, these guys will make some commission, and I'll show you what commission is that. But in this slide, you can simply understand that whenever you search these type of keywords on Google, the websites you see are affiliate websites, right? Here is the second keyword, best headphone under 2000, right? Let's do it. Best headphone under 2000. If you open this website, let's open this bettershark.com. So in this website, you can see that they have written about the best over ear headphone under 2000, February 2020, they published it. And here you can see that they are promoting these products. But once you click on this link, this is an affiliate link, which means if you buy this product by clicking on this link, the owner of this website, Better Shark, they will earn some commission. How many of you guys are able to understand what I am saying? Type yes if you are able to understand what I am saying right now. If you are able to understand this model, how this works. Right? Here is something interesting. 81% of the brands in the world use affiliate marketing. 81%, guys. And I know this number is going to increase in the upcoming years because more and more companies are coming online and more people are comfortable to order the things by sitting at their home. We all order so many things from Amazon, Flipkart, and so many other websites, right? So this particular segment, which is affiliate marketing, is going to increase in the upcoming years, but still 81% is a huge number. If you see it, 81% brands in the world use affiliate marketing. If you want to see the trends of the keyword affiliate marketing, this is growing every single year. 10 to 20% growth every single year. More and more people are interested to learn affiliate marketing, become affiliate marketer, so that they can start making the money by sitting at your home, right? That is the freedom of doing something online. So here in this webinar, I'm going to share the 3 secrets with all of you. The secret number 1 is how finding the right keyword can unlock affiliate marketing game for you. Then I'll share the secret number 2, how selecting a right theme can change the complete game. And I'll talk about secret number 3, how driving the right traffic can help you make more money online. Are you guys ready to learn the secrets? Type BIO, that is bring it on, if you are ready to learn the secrets today. Now the actual things will start. Now you guys play very close attention. Now you pay very close attention to what I'm going to talk after this slide. You can take your pen and paper. You can note down what I'm going to say right now, because that is very important. That is the main crux of today's webinar. So let's start it. So the secret number 1 is research. First of all, you do the research that which are the products, which are the markets you want to explore, right? Once you identify, once you understand that, yes, this is the market I want to explore, now you do the market research, right? After that, you do the keyword research and then you find the right keywords. This is a step-by-step process. You can note it down. You can take the screenshot. I will do each and every step in front of you live right now, right? I'll teach you the secret number 1, how to do the research. So before we start, I would love to involve all of you in this research so that I can take live examples from all of you, right? And then I'll show you what is the potential of affiliate marketing. So how I need your help. So let's understand the situation first. You are attending this webinar right now, but in the last 2-3 days, or even today, you might have searched something on Google for any query, right? You might have used Google for the immunity booster, or how to stay safe at home, or how to kill coronavirus, or anything. You might have searched many queries on Google in the last 3-4 days. I want all of those queries here in the chat right now. You give me the keywords. I will do the research live in front of you, and I'll show you how to do the market research. Now it is your time. Give me your keywords. So Mr. Vikas gave me the keyword dishwasher. Okay. Mr. Vikas gave me this keyword dishwasher. So now I'm going to do the step number 1, which is do the market research. So let's learn how to do it. For this, you will go on a website, which is Quora.com. Guys, you can note down all of the steps, whatever I'm teaching right now. This is very crucial. In the market research, you go to the website Quora.com. You put your keyword here and then do the search. Now, what I am doing here is I am trying to analyze the market. I am just trying to see that what are the queries people are asking in that particular segment. By going on Quora.com, I am just trying to see that what are the queries people are asking around dishwasher. I think understood till now? All understood? So here I can see that someone is asking what is best dishwasher. Okay. Now the second guy is asking what is the best dishwasher in India. Okay. What are the steps to clean the dishwasher? So here, once you scroll down, you will see many of the questions, and you will have a very clear understanding of that particular segment, that what are the questions people ask in that category. Here I am seeing one question again and again, which was best. People are looking for the best. This is again dishwasher popular in India. That means they are looking for the best. So let's copy this keyword. I can see that this is a keyword, best dishwasher in India. So I'll copy this keyword. I'll go to Google and then search it. Best dishwasher in India 2020. I searched this. Now this website came at number 1. Let's open this website. Once you open this website, once you scroll down, you will see they have given this link, and here is check the price. Once you click on this link, this is an affiliate link, right? This is an affiliate link, which means if someone buy this dishwasher, this website is going to earn some commission. And how much is that commission? Here is that commission. Amazon pays this much commission in various categories. In the sports, fitness, and outdoor categories, they pay 9% commission. In the health, beauty, personal care categories, they pay 8% commission. In the car, motorbike, industrial, scientific products, musical instruments, they pay 8% commission. So they have different categories for different products. In our case, which was kitchen product, right? It was a kitchen and houseware product. So the commission is 9%, which means if someone buy this product, this website Home Zine will make 9% commission, right? So this was the step number 1, doing the market research. And I have already done the second step, doing the keyword research, which we are doing right now. So this was the first keyword. Let me see what are the other keywords I am seeing from other people. Let me see another questions. Guys, please type your questions. Please give me some keywords and I'll do it live in front of you right now. Give me some keywords. Okay, someone gave me the keyword best travel cameras. So this itself is a keyword. Best travel cameras under 1,000. If you open this website, you will see that they all are doing affiliate marketing of Amazon. They are promoting the products from Amazon. When people are buying these products, they are making some affiliate commission. Here you can see that this is an affiliate link, $899 from Amazon, which is an affiliate link. This is again an affiliate link. right? So this is how you do the keyword research and market research. Now comes to the second part. Now comes to the third part, finding the right keyword. How to find the right keyword? We have already done the market research. We have already done the keyword research. Now comes how to find the right keywords. So for that, you will have to identify. Let me give you a step-by-step instruction. First of all, you identify your market. In my case, I have decided that I want to do the research in home and kitchen categories. Fine. So I have identified my market. Now I found the keyword also, which was best dishwasher in India. I will copy this keyword. I'll go back to Google once again. I'll search the keyword because I have decided that I want to promote the products in this category only. Now I will open one website, any good website. In my case, I have found the website kitchenarena.in. Got it? Everything clear till now? I just found my market, did the keyword research, found one website. Type clear if you can understand what I'm doing right now. Type clear if you can understand what I am doing right now. Perfect. So I have already found this one website, kitchenarena.com. Now we will do this step number 3, finding the right keywords. Let's do it. How to find the right keywords. So for this, I am going to use a website which is semrush.com. Guys, please ask your question after this webinar because right now I am in my pace. I am just teaching you. Don't ask any questions in between, please, because that will disturb the whole flow of this webinar. Let me just do the live in front of you right now. I'll go in the organic research. I'll paste my keyword. Sorry, I'll paste the URL of the website, which is this kitchenarena.in. I will paste the URL of this website here. I'm saying it once again. Go to SEMrush, go in organic research, paste your keyword here, and then do the search. Got it? Once you do the search, you will see these top organic keywords. Now you simply click on this, view all organic keywords. And here you do one setting. Guys, you can note it down because this is very important. Here I'm going to do one setting. The setting would be go in the advanced filters and set include keywords containing best. This is the first setting you do in SEMrush. The second setting you do is include word count greater than 3. These are the two settings you do. You can take the screenshot of this slide. You can even click the picture of this screen right now. This is the setting you do. Include keywords containing best, include word count greater than 3, and then apply it. Once you apply this, it will give you the keywords which are easy to rank because these are called long tail keywords. Here I got the keyword best washing machine 29. This can be a keyword for you. Best top load washing machine 2019. Again, this can be a keyword for you. Best refrigerator brand. Again, a keyword. Best air conditioner, best rice cooker, best ceiling fan, best pH for drinking water, best instant pot. And there are so many keywords. Let me see how many of these keywords. 2,608 keywords. So this is how you find the right keywords. Got it? So this was the number 1 secret of affiliate marketing, doing the research. And let's understand in a much better way. Here I'm showing you a graph. Here you can see that. And guys, this graph is extremely important. Pay very close attention to this graph right now because this is very, very, very important. Here I'm going to show you how to select the right keywords. Here you can see that this keyword, acoustic guitar, this keyword has very high search volume, but the conversion rate of this keyword would be very low. You can see it. The conversion of this keyword would be very low. Let's do it live. I'll go in the keyword magic tool. I'll type my keyword, which was acoustic guitar. And once I search, you will be able to see that the search volume of this keyword, acoustic guitar, is 1,10,000 people are searching for this keyword every single month. But if you see this second keyword, best acoustic guitar, these are called mid-tail keywords. And here now you can clearly see the difference between these two keywords. The very first keyword was acoustic guitar. This keyword contains zero information of the intent of the person who is searching this keyword. Someone went on Google, he typed acoustic guitar. We can't say that why he typed, what he is looking. We can't say anything, right? So this keyword, the first keyword, contains zero information. But the second keyword contains some information that someone is looking for the best acoustic guitar. These type of the keywords are called mid-tail keywords. But now you see the third keywords, guy. Best acoustic guitar under $1,000. Let's see it. Best acoustic guitar under 1,000. Although this keyword would have a very less search volume, in this case it is only 1,600, which is a very low search volume, but this would be a very high conversion keyword because the person is searching best acoustic guitar under $1,000. How many of you would be agree with my statement that the person looking for this keyword is a buyer? Is he a buyer, guys? Type yes if you believe that the person searching for this third keyword, best acoustic guitar under $1,000, is a buyer. There are very high chances that he is a buyer because he has already decided that I want best acoustic guitar and my budget is $1,000. So for sure he is a buyer. And in this case, the conversion rate is 5%. Out of every 100 people landing on your blog, 5 people are going to buy the product, which is a very good conversion rate. Now the question comes is, how do I know this conversion rate? I know because we have so many sites where we can keep on checking the conversion rate, how many people are visiting our website and how many people are buying. So 5% is a very decent conversion rate of these keywords, right? Here is one screenshot where I searched this keyword, best acoustic guitar under $1,000 in Google. I found this website, guitarfella.com. I opened the website and I found that they were promoting all these guitars. And you can see this was an Amazon link, Amazon affiliate link, all Amazon affiliate links. When I clicked on these links, I found that they were selling this guitar, which was in $749. $749 was the price of this guitar. And guys, if you remember, musical instruments category pays 8% affiliate commission. And if you calculate the numbers, 750 into 0.08, which is 8%, $60 per sale. Would that be awesome if you guys start making $60 per sale by promoting these guitars? Would that be amazing? And there are so many categories. There are so many affiliate products in the market, right? Which you can promote. This is just one example. Got it? Here is another keyword I searched in Google, best laptop for artists 2020. This was the website coming at top, netbooknews.com. I opened the website and I found that they were promoting this laptop, which was priced $1,600, which means they are making very good money just by promoting all these laptops. Are you guys with me? I'm not seeing much interaction in the chat. Are you guys with me? Are you guys able to understand what I'm saying? Type clear if you are able to understand. Type with you if you are with me. Type with you if you guys are with me and able to understand what I'm doing right now. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much. So this is one of the method where you simply write such articles, best laptop for drawing. People will land on your blog, they will buy these products, and you will make the affiliate sales, affiliate commission, right? Now the secret number two is blog structure. Technically, your blog should be SEO optimized. You must have awesome content, and your own page SEO and interlinking must be strong. These are the secrets of affiliate marketing. Let me say one statement. You can note it down, you can write it down. So the statement is, doesn't matter how good your keyword research is. If your blog is not optimized, you are not going to make any money. Let me repeat it. Doesn't matter how good your keyword research is. If your blog is not optimized, you are not going to make any money. So the question is, how can we say that any blog is optimized? So here are three parameters which defines that a blog is completely optimized. A very good theme must be schema optimized. It must be fast loading, and it must have very good SEO structure if you want to make money as an affiliate, right? Let me show you 2-3 themes which you can use. One theme I recommend is GeneratePress. This is one theme which I recommend to all of you if you want to make your blog amazing, if you want Google to love your affiliate blogs. Because this theme is less than 30 KB, very fast theme. It is secure and stable, search engine optimized, and schema optimized. And here is something interesting, that I am using exactly same theme on Blogging Cage. If you go at footer, you can see powered by Genesis Premium. We are using Genesis on bloggingcage.com, and we have another affiliate blog which is pocketadjust.com. Let me open the blog right now. This is my affiliate blog, pocketadjust.com. This again is using GeneratePress theme, right? You can go in the blog section and you can see all of the articles which we have written on this blog. We are using GeneratePress theme on this blog. So this is the theme which I personally recommend, because that is a very good theme for affiliate blogs and for any good blog. They are schema optimized. So this is the secret number 2. Use a schema optimized theme which must be fast loading and which must be schema optimized and SEO optimized. These are the criteria of having a good theme. If you are not happy with GeneratePress, the second theme I recommend is StudioPress themes. So StudioPress themes are also schema optimized. They are very fast loading and they are SEO optimized as well, right? So these are the themes I recommend. If you go in the shop for themes, they have around 67 themes in the market right now. Just go there, just decide which theme do you want, and you can start having a very good SEO optimized blog. They have very good designs as well. If you click on this, this is one design they have, and the price of each theme is, I think, $99, which is like a decent price, right? So this was the secret number 2. Schema optimized theme, fast loading, and good SEO structure. And this is very crucial, guys. Don't take it lightly. Many of the newbie bloggers make this mistake that they don't select the themes carefully. They just use any random theme and later they regret. Being a blogger for 9 years, as I told you, I started my blogging career in 2011. I know what is best, right? I have seen almost every good theme. And I am saying that GeneratePress and StudioPress themes are the best themes. So go and use only these themes, right? Now the secret number 3. Secret number 3 is right traffic. So basically there are 2 types of the traffic: SEO, that is search engine optimization, and another traffic is paid traffic. Once you identify that which traffic do you want to use for your blog, then it becomes so easy for you to make money online. It becomes extremely easy for all of you to make money online once you identify that which is the traffic you are going to use. right? So let's take the example of search SEO. In case of SEO, you are going to target some keywords, which I have already taught you in the SEMrush slide. Let me do it once again. Let's go on SEMrush. Let's open the website homezine.com. In the organic research, you can see that this website, let me show you, this website is ranking for so many keywords in Google. They are ranking for 33,000 keywords in USA, 48,000 keywords in Google. So they have simply done search engine optimization. This is how they are driving the traffic on their blog. Here is the second example, whattoexpect.com. This is another website, and they are doing exactly same thing. They are targeting the keywords which people search in Google, and then they are ranking at top for these keywords and then making the money as an affiliate marketing. Easy peasy, right? So the second traffic is paid traffic. In this traffic, you decide that I want to promote this product. That is the first step. First of all, you decide that I want to promote this product. Second step, you write an article around that product. And the step number 3, you do the paid ads, right? In this example, you can see this is my Facebook page, blogging cage page, and this is a sponsored post. In this ad, we promoted this article where it said, why should you start building email list today? Let me show you that article. So this was the article. In this article, we promoted one service, which is convertkit.com. Right here, you can see that this is my affiliate link, ConvertKit. This is my affiliate link. If you scroll down, again, ConvertKit, this is my affiliate link. Again, ConvertKit, this is my affiliate link, right? So I promoted ConvertKit in this article. Now you guys tell me, if you see this ad in your Facebook newsfeed, are you going to click on it or not? Will you click on my ad or not? Type yes if you will click on my ad, type no if you will not click on my ad. I know 30% of the people are going to click on this ad, or let's say 20%. Few people are going to click on this ad for sure, right? So we did the same psychology. We did the ad for this article and we promoted it. Would you love to see how much money I made just by doing this paid ad? Type BIO. Type BIO if you would love to see how much money I made by doing this paid ad on Facebook. I just found the right traffic for this type of the article. And guys, this is my affiliate dashboard. I have made $16,303 just by promoting that one article. Is it a good income? $303 just by analyzing the traffic, just by understanding that what type of the traffic would work for what type of the articles. It is all about the psychology. It's all about your understanding. It is all about your skill to analyze that what type of the traffic would work for what type of the articles, right? And I analyzed that, I identified that, and I knew that if someone would see this ad in the Facebook newsfeed, many people are going to click on it. And it happened. And I made this much money just by promoting ConvertKit, right? So this is how it happened. So this was the secret number 3. Now let's talk about the 3 types of the websites. There are 3 types of the websites in the world: brand websites, AdSense websites, and affiliate websites. Building brand websites is extremely difficult. How many of you would be agree with this statement? Building brand websites is extremely difficult. Would you be agree with this statement? Yes, because it would take years to create TechCrunch.com, Mashable.com, YourStory.com. It would take years. It would take your team efforts, your efforts, money, and like so many things. Second websites are AdSense websites. Again, AdSense websites would need very high traffic and you keep on fighting with Google. So I don't like AdSense websites. So the third type of the websites are affiliate websites. How many of you would believe, how many of you would be agree with my statement that building affiliate websites is easy? Type easy if you are agree with this statement. Building affiliate websites is easy. You have already seen that, right? From that very first website, Content Machine website, only 5 articles and I have made $15,000. It is easy, right? So that is why we are here in this webinar today, because our main goal was to learn affiliate marketing. Now the question is, what if you don't want to promote Amazon products? Are you guys having this question in your mind? You might be thinking that I don't want to promote Amazon products. Are you having the same thoughts running in your mind right now? So for you guys, we have this awesome company, vCommission. You can go to vCommission. You can go to this link, which is bcage.in/vcom. You can join vCommission right now. And here you can see that if you promote this company, Reseller Club, let's log in the dashboard right now. Let's go in the login. And they have so many amazing advertisers with them. You can just join this one network and you will see so many advertisers where you can pick the offers. If I go here in the offers, you can see that 15 pages of content. And how many advertisers on first page? I think there are 10 advertisers on this page. So they have around 150 advertisers with whom they are working. So if you want to promote this company, resellerclub.com, they will pay you 1,400 commission, which is a very good commission, I would say. Decent commission. If you want to promote, see, there are so many companies, this company, you just go there, create your account, pick the links, and then you can start making the money as an affiliate marketer, right? They have Norton also. If you promote Norton, you make $21 per sale. Let me go. Scala Hosting, $35 per sale. So the question is, how can we promote these products? Let me give you the answer. The answer is very straightforward. Let's say you want to promote this company, Scala Hosting. So you simply write an article where you review this company, and it can be Scala Hosting review. So this can be your article, Scala Hosting review, where you talk about this company. Here in this example, this company, hostadvice.com, they have written about the review of this company, Scala Hosting. So here you can promote your affiliate links in that article. Let's open another one. This is not looking like an article. Let's open this one. Right now, they have written a complete review around this Scala Hosting. And for sure, they have added affiliate links also. If someone will buy this hosting by clicking on the affiliate link, they are going to make $35 per sale, which is a very decent commission. Let's say how much it is in Indian rupees, 35 in INR. 2,600 rupees. How many of you guys would be happy if you make 2,600 rupees with one sale? Type happy. If you would be happy by making 2,600 rupees with one, I would be very happy. I would be extremely happy. Even if I make one sale every day, or even let's say I make 10 sales, man, 10 sales a month. Let's go to the worst case scenario, 10 sales a month. It would be again 26,000 rupees a month. I would be extremely happy if I start making this much money just by promoting these products. And here you will see so many products, so awesome products. Let's go to the next page. Stage.com, Expedia.com, and they have a lot of different products. You just pick the product, write a review about that product. Once people buy them, you are going to make a very, very, very decent money with these. See, this company is paying $150 per sale. Wow. I would love to promote this. Slot Empire. Amazing. Perfect. Right. So this was how you pick the offers from vcommission.com. It is not mandatory that you can only promote Amazon or anything. If you don't want to promote Amazon, just work with these guys. They are amazing. They will give you full support. And this is how you can become a great affiliate marketer. Right? Now we are coming very near to the end of this webinar. Now you guys tell me, did you learn the secret number 1? How finding the right keyword can unlock affiliate marketing game for you? Did you learn it today? Did you learn the secret number 2? How selecting the right theme can change the complete game? And did you learn the secret number 3? How driving the right traffic can help you make more money online? I hope you all are happy just by learning 3 secrets, and now you will be more confident to make money as an affiliate marketing. Right? How many of you are happy whatever you have learned today? Type happy if you are happy with whatever you have learned today. Perfect. Amazing. And how many of you would be happy if I personally guide you? Would that be awesome if I guide you? Type ASM if you would love to get trained by myself. I train you. I teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Would that be awesome? How many of you would love to become my students? Type student if you would love to become my student. If I teach you step by step journey, how to do the market research, how to find the keywords. And guys, most importantly, I will tell you, these are the things you should not do, because that is more important. Once I tell you that this is not the path to go, you save your time, money, and efforts. And right now, this is the perfect time for you to start, because everyone is locked in the homes. This is the right time to upgrade your knowledge. Now, after this slide, I'm going to talk about my premium training. Would you guys allow me to talk about my training? Type yes if you allow me to talk about my premium training. And this is the training where I teach you how to do affiliate marketing step by step. And let me say it once again, stay with me till the end, because I'm going to share 50 keywords with all of you for free, right? Stay with me till the end. So here I am introducing Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. This is the training which we recently launched in the market. To be very precise, I launched this training on 25th January, which means almost 3 months back. If you want to see right now, we have how many students we have enrolled in this training. Let me show you. So right now we have enrolled 455 students in this training in just less than 90 days. 455 students in this training, and everyone is learning affiliate marketing, right? So this is the training. And what are you going to learn? You're going to learn affiliate marketing mindset. You will learn how to do the market research. The one idea which I explained in this webinar today, that is just one method. There are many other methods also. You are going to learn all of those methods in this training. I'll teach you how to pick the money-making keywords. I'll teach you how to set up SEO optimized blog. I'll teach you how to write content to make people buy, so that when people read your article, they actually buy the product. And then I'll teach you how to drive the right traffic. Would you guys be ready to learn it? Type BIO if you guys are ready to learn. Type BIO if you are ready to become my students. Perfect. So let me reveal the price of this training. The price of this training would be 19,999 rupees. The mode of the training would be online, and you will get the lifetime access. That means you can watch all these videos anytime, anywhere in the world for lifetime. You will get all the access of pre-recorded videos, which is online. You just log in your dashboard, watch all the videos, and you will get the access of everything. But what are you going to get in 19,999? Would you love to know what are the other things you are going to get in this training? Type yes if you would love to know what are the free things I'm going to give you once you become my student. And these things are priceless. The very first thing you will get is private tribe access, which is total worth of this access would be 20,000 rupees, but you are going to get it for free. Let me show you what that tribe is. So we have created a private community for all of the students where they can ask their questions live. It is like your private home. So once you become my student, I help you to get the answers of your every problem. This is our private community where you can see all of the students are asking different questions. And the beauty of this community is whenever you have any question in your mind, just go there, just type, and you can see all the questions which people have asked previously. You just read what are the answers, and this is how you become a great affiliate marketers, just by learning from other people. So you will get the access of this private tribe. Secondly, you will get the access of a private Telegram channel. That means you are indirectly getting my direct access. I will teach you how to do the things. Once you have any question, any problem, any query, just go there in that private Telegram channel, and I am always there to solve your queries. Let me show you what that Telegram channel is and how does it look like. Right? So this is that private Telegram channel. You can see Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. And you can see all of the students are asking questions, interacting with each other. If anyone is having any problem, they are coming forward and helping to solve the problem. So this is like your private community where you guys help each other to grow, and I help all of you to solve your problems, right? You will get the access of this private Telegram channel. That is why this is the price of this training. That is the only reason I'm charging this much price, because you are getting my direct attention. This is not a training where I sell you pre-recorded videos and I am gone, I am gayab. No, this is not that training. This is a premium training where I give you my access, where I give you my proper attention so that you succeed, you become a good affiliate marketer, right? And the last thing, which is most important, which is a very good thing for all of you, you are going to get 200 niche ideas, right? 200 keywords. My team found these keywords in 10 days, guys. We did the research for 10 days to find these keywords. And you are going to get all these 200 keywords for free, 100% free. Once you pay for this training, you will get all these keywords for free, right? Now you guys tell me, now I have few questions from all of you. If all of what I have shown finally help you to start your affiliate marketing career with ease, would that be awesome? Tell me in the comment. If I move you from a struggling blogger to a professional affiliate marketer, would that be awesome? And if I help you to find awesome product which help you make the real money, would that be awesome? Right? I think it would be amazing. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay, fine. So what are you getting in this training? You are getting 35 plus videos to learn affiliate marketing. You are getting 35,000 worth premium themes. Guys, if you become my student, I am going to give you the access of all these StudioPress themes, 67 StudioPress themes, which is worth $499. If you want to see the package, it is worth $499. You are going to get the access of all the StudioPress themes for free if you become my student, right? Right now I'm logging in my account. Let me do the logout so that I can actually show you the real price of all the StudioPress themes. Okay, StudioPress Pro Plus package. Let me open it. So price of this package is $499. You will get all of the themes for free. You will get the 10,000 worth of niche ideas, 10,000 worth of private tribe access, 10,000 worth of private Telegram channel. Total value of all these things would be 85,000. How many of you guys are, I know many of you might be feeling that the price is a bit high. How many of you are feeling that the price of this training is okay? Or how many of you are feeling that it should be lower or it should be higher? Tell me, what is your feeling? Okay, so let's do a little bit poll because I'm seeing some queries. Let me do a little bit polling. let's decide that what should be the price of this training. You can see a poll in front of you right now. Can you guys see a poll in front of you right now? What should be the price of this training? If you want to pay the lower price, keeping the thing in your mind that I am the guy who is doing affiliate marketing since 2014. I have attended so many affiliate conferences and I am a speaker at so many affiliate conferences, not in India, in worldwide also. So you are learning from a trainer who do the practical things, who don't talk in air, right? I will show you everything practical, nothing theory. So what should be my price? What should be the price to access all of the videos and the price to get my direct access? Let me see how many people are doing the voting. So right now only 40% people have voted. Guys, please participate in the poll. Only 44% people have voted. Let's do more polls coming in and let's see what is the price. People are thinking that that should be the best price for my training. Okay, I'm ending the poll right now because 54% people have voted in this poll right now. Okay, so I'm sharing the results with all of you. Now you can see that 45 people have said that 11,999 is a decent price. 70 people said that 14,999 and 3 people said that 17,999. How many of you would be ready to enroll in the training if I lower the price to 11,999? Type yes if you would be ready to enroll in the training today if I lower the price to 11,999 rupees. And guys, by the way, the GST price, which is 18%, it is included in this price. How many of you would love to grab the training in 11,999? Let me see how many are action takers, because there are two types of the people who attend my webinars. The very first are lame excusers who always give excuse, who always have excuse that I don't have that, I don't have this, I will take the action on time, I will take the action when I will have the money. They have so many endless excuses. And the second type of the people are action takers. How many action takers are attending the webinar today? Type AT if you are an action taker. Type AT if you are an action taker, because now I'm going to give you a prize which you can't say no. Now I'm going to give you a prize which you can't say no, right? For all of the action takers, for all of the action takers who are ready to change their life, who are ready to jump in affiliate marketing, who are ready to change not only their life, your family's life also, because once you start making the money, your family life also change. For all of those action takers, I am introducing my training in just 9,999 rupees. That is the link, guys, bcage.in/join. Go at this link, make the payment. This is the minimum price I can charge. And I guarantee you that this would be your best investment, because future is online. Everyone is going online. People are going online. Companies are going online. This is the price I can charge right now. This is the minimum price. And I'm saying it once again, 18% GST is included in this price. That is why I'm charging this much price. Right? So let's see what are my students saying. My student Tejas is saying that, guys, I have been to many online courses, couple of digital marketing courses. This is the course I have joined last. From my experience, Kulwant Nagi sir teaching style is like butter, right? He is happy with my training. This guy, Umar Qureshi, is saying this course is one of the best course for affiliate marketing, because Kulwant shared a lot of strategy which is not available anywhere. This is what my students are saying. This is one of my students, Anupam Sethi. He said, Kulwant, bro, you always say right. I found a low competition keyword with low search volume, created around 700 words article. It is almost 13 days and I'm making this much money, right? You can see that in just 13 days, he made 6,862 rupees. This student, Hema, she is extremely happy. This student, Niharika, she is extremely happy. And let me show you something very interesting, guys. Let me show you very interesting, which will make you feel amazing and which will convince you that, yes, this will be your best investment. Let me search one keyword. Okay. Okay. So recently I shared this in my group where I said that one of my digital marketing friend got the access of affiliate masterclass. He was so overwhelmed by the content in the course that he called me and said, Kulwant, you are undercharging this course. It must be 30,000 rupees. Right? And now you see what are the other students saying. It is not my words, it is the words of my students. This guy Aditya is saying, I feel that currently in India, no other mentor is trying to teach newbies from scratch. Right? And he's saying, so yes, the course is undercharged. Now let's see the another guy. Yuvraj is saying, the real value is in your personal attention. Knowledge तो ढूंढ सकते हो Google से, but जब कोई mentor होता है, then make you less mistake. This guy Aditya is saying, we are lucky. Right? You can see all of my students are saying that I am undercharging this course. It should be 30,000 because I am giving my personal attention. This guy, Harish is saying, I guess amount you charge for this training is definitely less compared to the effort you put. You can see these guys are saying these words. I'm not saying these words. So this training, my friends, would be the best investment for all of you. It's all about taking the action. It's all about having the self-belief. Here is the link with all of you, bcage.in/join. Go at this link. I'm sharing the link once again, bcage.in/join. Go there, make the payment, start your affiliate marketing career. And once you are enrolled, come here and then type enrolled. Once you have enrolled yourself, once you have made the payment, come here and then type enrolled. Let's see how many of action takers are here in the group. Here is my special message for all of you, that money can always come back, but time cannot. We have the best time of the world right now, best time of the human history right now, where we are sitting at the home and where we have the chance to upgrade ourselves. The money you are going to put in this training is just 10,000 rupees, which is 100 times lower than the fees you have put in your school. You invested your 3 years doing the training, doing your formal education, invested lakhs of rupees, your time, your efforts, commitment, money, everything. And here, I'm sorry to say, but yes, many of you might be earning 20,000 rupees a month, 30,000 rupees a month, 50,000 rupees a month. After spending those so many years in your formal education, here you are investing this much money on yourself. Because I know how to make affiliate marketing working for all of you. I will guide you. I will teach you. I will tell you these are the things you should do. Right? I will be always there with you to make you a successful affiliate marketer. My question to you is, would you be as young and as energetic as you are 5 years from now? No, no one would be as young. Today we have the maximum energy. 10,000 rupees is nothing compared to your dreams. We all have big dreams. And this is such a field which can really help you to achieve all your dreams. It has helped me to achieve my dreams. I have traveled 21 countries. Guys, when I started my affiliate marketing career, we had only one room. In that room, my mother and my sister used to sleep here. My brother used to sleep here, and I used to work like this. Only one room. We used to feel shame when any guest used to come at our home because only one room. But right now, with the God grace, I have so many rooms in my home. I have built a better house. I have traveled the world. I have gave a better life to my family, and you guys can do the same. It is not about the investment. It is not about the 10,000. It is all about what you can achieve by starting this journey. Right? So this is my message for all of you. Now you have two options. Either you give excuse and go back to your normal life after watching this webinar. I know many of you would do that. I hope you all got the value. I hope you all got the knowledge today. I hope you all understood what affiliate marketing is. But there would be few people who would take the action and unlock the business potential of thousands of dollars. The question is, are you that action taker? Right? Or will you keep on giving the excuse, actually cheating yourself? Not, these are not the excuse. These are the cheating with yourself. You cheat yourself. You know that you have the potential, but you still don't take the action, right? So here is the prize in front of you right now. Once again, everything, you get the access of everything. My private tribe, my private Telegram channel, 200 keywords, everything in just 9,999 rupees. Go at this link, bcage.in/join. And I guarantee you that I will give my best of the best to make you a successful affiliate marketer. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. This was all about today's webinar. Please ask your questions. Mr. Devas is asking, how many months course is this? Devas, this course is only 6-7 hours. सिर्फ 6-7 घंटे की training है, and you can consume all of the content in one sitting. And everything is online. All the access you get online. Type enrolled if you have enrolled in this training. And I know there are more than 10 people who are going to join this training who would be enthusiastic to bring a change in their life. Right now, we have 80 people still with us. Guys, if you are still watching this webinar, that means you are hungry for the success. You want that magic happen in your life, right? Let's start it. Let's start this new career. Let's start this affiliate marketing journey, and then let's change the life, right? One guy is asking, can we access all the functionality of SEMrush you mentioned at free of course? No, SEMrush is a paid tool. You will have to pay $99 a month. If you want the free access, you can go at this link, bcage.in/SEMrush. This is the link, guys, bcage.in/SEMrush. This is my affiliate link. And once you enter this link, let me give you this link in the chat. Once you enter this link, bcage.in/SEMrush, it will give you free 30 days access of this tool. You can see SEMrush and Blogging Cage special, free 30 days trial. So you can get this free 30 days trial, and then you can access SEMrush for free. bcage.in/SEMrush. One guy is asking, would you be teaching how to make a website? If you want to learn that, I have a different training which you can enroll, which is like near to free. You can go at training.bloggingcage.com. This is my link, training.bloggingcage.com. This is the training where I teach these basic things. And right now I'm selling this training in just 149 rupees. This is like a very, I would say, the lowest price I can charge. So you can grab this training if you want. So let me share the link with all of you once again, bcage.in/SEMrush. Other link where you can buy the training is bcage.in/join. This is the link, guys, bcage.in/join. So who guys are enrolling, please type if you have enrolled, type enrolled if you have enrolled yourself. Let me see who are the guys who has enrolled. Let me log in my account. Let me see who are the action takers today. Okay, Monia, Harman. I can see only a few guys who has gone through. Shimon. Okay. So guys, if anything is stopping you to take the action, please ask in the comment section so that I can solve your queries. If anything is stopping you to take the action. Ajay is saying, I blog about travel. Any travel keywords? Ajay, travel is a very big affiliate marketing niche. In travel, you can make a lot of money as an affiliate marketer. Gaurav is asking, would that be a live lecture? Gaurav, no, all are pre-recorded videos. You get the access of all of the pre-recorded videos. But I keep on doing various live sessions with all of my students time to time. So you can access all of those online session live, and then you can ask your questions. Vandana is saying, I have Edu blog. I do Indian affiliate niche. Edu is best. Edu, I don't recommend going in the education category as an affiliate. It is not a good niche for affiliate marketers. Any other questions, guys? Ask your questions, ask your queries. Jyotsna is saying, I am not very successful, reach traffic to almost 13,000 per day. Jyotsna, which niche do you do? Mr. Siddharth is saying, how about Nutra? Siddharth, you can easily promote Nutra offers with affiliate marketing. And I think vCommission has their own Nutra products. You can pick those products and then you can start promoting those products as well. Okay, guys. Vivek, I think we can end this webinar right now and we can take the feedback from all of the people who are in the room right now. Guys, was it a good webinar? Was it a perfect webinar where you learned the things? Type yes if this was a good webinar.
I guess it was indeed Mr. Kulwan.
Perfect. So here is my list for all of you, which I promised 50 keywords. Go at this link, bcage.in/keywords. Guys, go at this link, bcage.in/keywords. Here you can download this, I would say sheet, Google Sheet, where I have given all of the Amazon keywords. Go at this link, bcage.in/keywords, download your keywords, which we promised. Okay, guys. So this was all about today's webinar. I hope you all learned so many good things, and thank you so much for attending, and thank you so much to Mr. Vivek and Parul also for being here. And let's end the webinar. Vivek, you can come. You can open your mic and video. Someone is asking 593 is being added as a convenience fee. Guys, this is the payment gateway fee. InstaMojo charge this fee to process your money, which is a payment gateway fee. And this fee is applicable to all of the payment gateways. Whenever you make payment anywhere, they charge some extra money just to process the money. So this is the convenient fee.
Thanks, Mr. Kulwan, for coming on board. I hope we can have many more such of masterclass, and also very special thanks to vCommission for helping us put this together.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
For attending, and they'll start earning soon.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you all of the attendees, and thank you, Parul and Vivek. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.